Good morning, guys. It's Miss Edmondson here. I'm actually in our classroom today. Today is our last day to clean up and kind of get things together, so it's kind of bittersweet. Um, I do want to just tell you that this is your last week of learning online. We have this week, and then the next 2 weeks we'll have field day, and then we'll have an awards day. More information will be coming out on that. But guys, this is your last 5. Your parents can't make you continue doing work, but it is our last week of work here for class. You have your 60 minutes of Dreambox or your 5 lessons, your 60 minutes of Lexia, vocabulary, 2 AR points, and then your 2 IXLs. Today, if you finish just one thing, so if you finish Dreambox or Lexia or vocabulary, one of the 2 IXLs, then you will go in the drawing for a $5 gift card to Walmart today. So I will draw that tomorrow during my video. But today is all you have to do is you have to finish one thing. So pick something, finish it, and you'll go in the drawing for the $5 gift card. We're going to have something every day this week just because it is our last week of learning. So y'all stay tuned so you can find out how to try to earn prizes or gift cards throughout the week. If you have any questions, guys, please feel free to call me. I just want you to know that I love each and every single one of you, and I miss you so much. And I cannot wait until we can see each other again when the new year rolls around, okay? Awesome job completing 3rd grade, guys. This is your last week. Stay focused, and you got this. Love you guys.